Yeah, I don't think intelligence matters anymore. I don't think it's economically an important input for humans.
Perfect.
I feel like he's like in the Batcave right now with like hella shit in front of him.
No,
like crazy shit.
It's sick. It's like he's got fucking 30 people like crowded around behind the camera. So funny. We have a lot of young guys who watch the show, obviously. A lot of people who, something we consistently preach on the show is investing in yourself and positioning yourself accordingly, considering like how crazy dramatic change is going to be over the next 5 to 10 years. Do you have any advice for anybody young watching who is here in an effort to become successful, whatever that might mean to you?
I do. And I think this might be controversial.
We love it.
I don't think how smart you are is going to matter.
Let's fucking go, baby. You hear that, chat? Let's fucking go. Continue. Sorry.
Yeah, I don't think intelligence matters anymore. I don't think it's economically an important input for humans. Wow. Just like if you think back to like pre-industrial revolution, how physically strong you were was a major input into how much money you were going to make. Right? When everything was manual labor, how physically strong you were was a major input in how much money you were going to make. And between the industrial revolution and the AI revolution, how smart you were was a major input into how much money you were going to make.
Dude, you're really fucking smart. This is really, really good.
I like this.
Wow.
So the question is, what's going to matter, right?
I have an answer. What's your opinion? What do you think it's going to be?
I think it's going to be agency. It's your ability to make up your own mind and then be relentless in the pursuit of the thing that you want. Because now you have all the tools. You have intelligence for free. You have, machinery, you have energy, you have all of these things for free, basically, right? But you know what's not free is motivation. What's not free is being relentless and dedicated and just going after it day after day because you decided you want something, you want to be the best, and you are going to go get it.
AI has replaced IQ. Somebody in chat said AI has replaced IQ. I love that. It's a really, really good take. I think potentially attention also. We talk a lot about how important attention is and understanding attention and how it moves. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like that's the thing that everybody's fighting for. That's the uncertainty. That's the thing that isn't just solved by AI or been solved by industry. It's like, how do we market this? You spoke earlier about EOS versus Solana. The thesis was correct, but for whatever reason, Solana did it, right? And I mean, like we see that a lot in crypto. It's actually quite rare that the first person with an original idea is the one who wins, right? It's whoever markets it the best and builds the best product. I don't know. It's a really interesting conversation. That's a really sick take.
That's a great take.
Yeah,
I like a take a lot.
Really fuck with that.
Great take.
I mean, wow. That's it for me. We have Rasmer in the waiting room now too, or he's supposed to be here at 3.
One more question.
Yeah, please do. Please do.
Do you have any advice for young people specifically for getting into investing? Like I know you've spent a lot of time at Multicoin. A lot of I think the younger cohort is getting into trading now. Obviously they were not going to be able to go straight into venture. Or I know, did you trade like liquids before venture? And like, what would you recommend for somebody who wants to get into finance or like pursue that as a field?
I think you have to understand what your edge is. And ultimately, I think in investing or trading, there's only 4 possible sources of edge. The first one is access or informational edge. Do you get to see things first? If you're like an HFT shop, for example, right? You see the price move first, or maybe you're really well connected and you know a bunch of people that gets you insight. You can call people to pick up the phone and answer your questions. The second source of edge is analytical. This is how well do you understand the thing that you're looking at? Do you have the ability to form your own opinion about it? Or are you just following what other people said? The third is psychological. And this is, I think, the most important one. It's how do you show up when things aren't going your way, or maybe when things are really going your way? Like, does it mess with your head? you have other things going on in your life, right? Like you might have some personal thing going on. How does that change your decision making? Do you do you have like processes in place to make big decisions? Like for example, if I'm going to make a big decision, I always go get a workout in. And I find that helps a lot.
Going for a walk.
Yeah, going for a walk too. Just like get the blood moving, right? It helps clear your mind.
It's really good advice.
The last one is structural edge. Like when we started Multicoin, we had a huge structural edge in that we were going to go buy crypto when a bunch of other investors just wouldn't touch the asset.
Do it. Yeah,
they were scared of touching it. So if you don't know what your edge is, don't do it.
It's a great take.
Figure out what your edge is.
That is a great take. Yeah. Dude, you're a fucking genius.
Genius,
This has
bro.
been awesome.
That's why they've been
dude.
crushing, bro. That's why they hit Solana.